Hi, we're here to talk to you today about the Harvest Index tool. The Harvest Index is a calculation of the economic yield over the biological yield of a crop. For example, when finding the Harvest Index of an apple tree, you would divide the reproductive biomass by the vegetative biomass. In other words, this is the apple yield divided by the mass of the stems, leaves, and roots. And each organism has its own Harvest Index. The uses of a Harvest Index are to compare the yield within a certain species of a crop. It is commonly used in breeding to create new varieties because by doing this, the Harvest Index increases and it can lead to increased productivity and efficiency.
This is a typical harvest index graph. This is of a grain crop. The orange line down at the bottom represents the grain yield or the economical yield. The green line through the middle represents the overall biomass of the crop. That's the economic and biological yield combined. The black line across the top represents the harvest index of the crop, and that is again the economic yield divided by the biological yield. In the middle, the red line represents the ratio in which you want to have economic to biological yield. This is the amount that's going to optimize your harvest index, which will increase your efficiency and productivity. This graph is very common in harvest index and is used for all different types of crops and is very handy in comparing different organisms and their harvest indexes.